Hi, in this video I will show you how to access and manage site data in Brave browser. Generally we use Brave browser to explore many type of site like Google, like Gmail, or like Bing or Microsoft or WhatsApp, so many things, right? Or CapCut, so many things here, right? So when we open a tab and we go some of the websites, any website, it creates some memory, some cookies or some data, it stores something, and it creates some space. That means it eats some space from our hard disks, and then we cannot use that thing. I mean that storage will be occupied by this Brave browser. And here we are seeing this, like these are the applications or website. It is consuming that much memory space, right, from this browser. So in this video I will show you how you can access this space, and you can manually delete this thing, or you can clear all the data from this website. So let's see how we can do this thing. So this is my Brave browser. I'll show you how you can access and manage site data in Brave browser. So at first we have to click this hamburger icon on our Brave browser. So here I'm seeing this is a Brave browser, and this is the hamburger menu. We just need to click here and it will be expanded, and from here we have to come to the bottom, settings. We just need to click here and the settings window will be open for this Brave browser. So here we are seeing that this Brave browser, and left side there are a couple of menus are there, and one of the menu option is privacy and settings. Not settings, privacy and security. We just need to click here and the privacy and security related information will be there. We need to access another icon or menu. So this is called site and shield settings. If we click here, it will be expanded, and here it will show the most recent items over there, but it is not showing all the site data in the browser. To access that, we just need to click view permissions and data storage. So like this way, if we click here, and it will show like this way. So here we are seeing that all the website which we opened in our Brave browser, like WhatsApp, Google, YouTube, and localhost, so many things, right? So these all are actually consuming some of the space, right? So total storage right now it is showing 1.1 gigabyte. So sometimes you will see that your browser is warning that there are too many space Brave is using. So to clean some of the tab, that means to close some of the tabs, or to remove some of the hard disk space, like that way. So basically that means that this much applications are, this much not application, these websites are consuming so much memory. Like if you use Google, generally Google, they have services like Gmail, then Google Drive, then Google Firebase and Google Cloud, so many things they are using, they have, right? So if we use this browser to access all of them, then you will see that Google is using, I mean Google will use more than 2 gigabyte of space. So at that time you need to clean this thing, otherwise the browser will be slow or the performance will go bad. So from here we can actually remove everything, not everything, whatever we don't need. If we want to remove everything, we can also do delete all data. Otherwise we can remove manually whichever we don't need. So here is also on filter. Why what filter, why this filter is useful? Suppose for example one of the application is loom.com. This website I visited and it is taking some space, although it is very small space. I'm going to show you how we can delete this thing. So this is loom.com, right? So what we have to do, we have to click here loom, and here it is showing loom.com, and now we can click here to clear this history or this data, and then we have to press the delete button and it will be removed, and then we can press this close button to clear the filter. And this thing is sorted by most visited, data stored, or name. So if we press data stored, it will show us which of them are using much space. Based on that it will show everything, right? So in this way basically we can actually check. We can also sort by name, also we can sort by most visited. So these are the filter. So here we came this page by accessing many of the options like settings, like this hamburger settings, so many things. But we can actually easily access this page, basically this memory space location, very easily. Let me show you. So I'm going to open a new tab, and then here I have to type this thing. So brave :/ settings content / all, then question mark sort equal data stored. So this part is optional, so you can remove it, you can press it and it will show everything. So that sort data means basically it will bring this type of sorting result. Okay, so if you press put that, that is also fine, right? So there are three types of sort which I showed you. Okay, so like this way you can also access this thing. So that's it guys. In this way we can easily access and manage site data in our Brave browser. Hopefully this video will be very helpful for you to clear couple of site data so that your Brave browser will run smoothly. Thank you guys for watching the video.